Hello everyone, and welcome back to Science Club. I'm teacher Emily and I'm the librarian here at Nantique. Today we're going to be talking about the water cycle because it's been raining here in Carrillo a lot. So I thought we could do a lesson that's kind of related to something that we're seeing in nature. So to begin, we just need a cup of water, some shaving cream, and blue food dye. So what we're going to be doing is creating a cloud, and we're going to talk about what happens when a cloud gets too much water inside it. And I'm going to show you a picture of the water cycle here. Great, so on this water cycle you can see that the water goes through a cycle of precipitation when it comes down from the clouds in the form of rain or snow or hail, and then it goes down through collection. Then it goes up again through evaporation, and then it goes back over through condensation. So we're going to talk about the condensation part here today. So we are going to take our cup of water, shake up the shaving cream, and just put it right on top. And it's going to float here on top of the water. Oh, we gotta shake it a little bit more. Doesn't want to come out. Okay. So we have our cloud. You can see. I'm going to set this here so you can see it better. So now what we're going to do is start dripping some rain. This is the condensation phase. What we're going to do is see how much rain our cloud can hold. So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's dripping down. 14. Our cloud cannot hold anymore. And now it's raining. Precipitation. Wow. So here's your challenge today. See how many drops of food coloring you can put onto your cloud before it becomes too much during the condensation period and it drips down in the form of precipitation. Let me know. We got 14, so that's kind of a lot. We'll see if you guys can get even more. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.